just go slow and steady.
First snowstorm. We've had like a centimeter of snowfall out a month ago, and that's it. Christmas, it was like 58 degrees and sunny, so this is really exciting. Like that. And we'll be walking in, going this way. That way we have the lamppost, trees in the back, and the building.
I did not mean to fall so many times on that take. Just fully covered in snow already.
Turn around. Oh yeah, look at that back.
It's so slippery out there, you can't do anything about it. I like that one though, I like that one.
I think that was my favorite one so far.
My physicality in that, bro.
We'll check,
in the beginning.
You've been hiding them and hold up pianos left in the dark.
I have wings! I'm not gonna stop for nothing! Good!
Got the music in it, babe, it's on the wall. Got the music in it, babe, it's on the wall. You've been wanting me forever.
That was a good one. Yeah, it did sound like it hurt.
For the first time in my life, it feels like I can fly! I have wings! I'm not gonna stop for nothing! Good! We're gonna get to the moon! The moon? No! The sun, I tell you! The sun? What if we get too close?
But now, it's time to go have fun.
Where is my mind? Where? Indie singers are like, where is my mind?